The life of a superstar. Ebia uni ebi nante da inti unim niatie. Mini bia nante da inti meka mini nyameka. One of the things that they lack is self-realization. Sometimes in front of all the crowd, obejina ho obieni nsamsi ane nipa etetono. Most often omo call mo demo ade alone. The bigger you become, the more lonely you will be.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed GH FM members, subscribe, share. Mini 2 man now Sa Akabi. Dada, one of the finest high life artists I've ever known. Abonyumbi, I say, Nkrumah, Fatia of Atankrumah. I say no me papa because Sabe, I made a minimum obapa into a banana fan of Atami. Now, sadly, this guy passed away. Now, the manager, Beka say, I know the only said that Kedi on one okuno. Young Connie could see him.
Like that. Vodka has been there since 2017.
Sir and son. One of them.
It's in them.
Okay.
It's a table so.
Okay.
2017.
Okay.
Ye be a suda.
Wanumida.
Or the ma Adam Fo.
Okay.
Intinsan will be a swa. Set ne power na woman. Power na woman. Set a coffin. Into 2017 to now.
To 2025.
How many years now?
That's close to 8 years.
Into insano only expiring date. Any expiring date. Minia. Ensa any expiring date.
Insani wants on that check.
So 7-8 years. Expire. Power na woman enko
Eti sana okase obi esuma ne namfofo no bi no. O free mu na mo call them ho no. Na ensan because of the ura ne them ho.
Me man call them. I was not there. They pick him to the hospital. They said it. But I know my boss.
Who said it?
Those they are talking on air. They said it.
But say catch you come here cry.
You don't know how. Now what's shining near my one of them. What I say? And Obia and no man san or the be couldn't who obey use glass. Who use glass one on the
yeah. One step.
Yes, but in Sano any but glass count.
Okay, so you are confirming for us na ensano esi ho glass is in one
picture I saw.
Okay, near who ye no.
Yes.
Chese ensani so a ye hwe bi wo egu glass ma ya no.
So ensani nim glass na pie.
Glass na pie.
Yes. So when will be like sometimes
could it be say one nomen na wa face na wa bro
Kedi my boss doesn't drink again, no. Like Guinness now, me say on number one, on number beer.
But how come say glass this you are and some
that is up to God.
You and I were not there.
Yes,
I see.
Up to God.
What to say? I'm okay, baby.
Signature. Major Oja note. My boss doesn't write to
Oja note.
Almost say Oja note.
But you are the manager. After so win one rather unko them.
It's a police station.
Okay.
The house is locked.
It's one more investigation.
Yes. And my boss.
No, to now I'm so Jan and then also.
I say I kill myself but nobody kills me.
I killed myself, nobody killed me.
My boss doesn't write.
Only matro,
but Katie doesn't write.
So only matro.
Oh no, and you say obi a otro no no. Every time you are familiar with pen and paper. I don't know. Yeah, Katie does not write his songs.
Do you know his handwriting?
Oh, I know.
What do we know?
I saw it on somebody's phone.
Okay.
And I shook my head.
Say no natural.
Omo ka say we just note na benam say it's a lie. My boss does not write.
enti what do you think say e dey na bebe nti e be ma amanfo e ko ho no mo
Papa we was soro no.
Do you think there is a foul play?
Papa we was soro no. He will say it. This man, look, I'm speaking in pain, in heartbreak. Na me de kasa. Everybody who says something which only no is up to God.
What's the bigger question?
No, I don't want to follow anybody again.
Because you so strong words. I saw it yesterday. I also say, "Sebe fachame Dada kedi unkwasi wunti na yi on konkwasi yi."
It's up to him. It's up to him. Look, let me tell you something. When my boss was alive, me kofo bebre woni hu.
Accra FM.
When my boss was alive, me kofo bebre woni hu.
Na man for shedam.
Enya afi no we wu a, obetiti nsem ngofo ano. I don't take that things.
Okay. I see.
He's somebody open answer my obebe on penance mom be.
Okay.
And my boss doesn't have grudge with anyone. He love people. He give pay. Adentina nkofo nka say Dada kedi ayo send me sika, ayo mama sika, ayo. Have you heard some before? What to say kedi to be rent amanada? But he do.
I see.
Oh yes, I did.
I see.
So if right now Ghana is talking about say KD was broker because he pay people's school fees, he pay people's rent.
I see.
Or dream nkofo won see on to be honest with you, not to say oh yeah my boss in make us I send the money.
Fawima we send you
yes. My boss no on him on your familiar with Momo near deal. Into be about my phone so from away. And I asked him, into boss me for when I say from home.
My family am focus on Nyame adoma. Watch na me said na mo ye vigil.
Yeah.
And also what I'm to say.
Yeah, and 5 p.m.
Okay.
Share Unity oil.
Okay, Achimota. I see.
Near the started for Abba Abeka Junction.
Okay.
Yeba be your PCF minimum.
I see.
Yeah, ship house.
Okay.
Yeah, started at least by 6:30 there. Now you see.
Okay.
With a candlelight.
Okay.
With his T-shirts and other things.
T-shirt ni bina shewe.
We made by me.
Okay. What now?
Yeah, man, Madi.
I see.
And from that time we even antia atututunyum. Even in Nyum Nimbu.
Okay.
To Abeka Junction, ship house one. Then
selected people.
No, everybody is invited.
Okay, everybody. You're a fan of Dada KD.
Everybody.
Okay.
Everybody.
Okay.
Is invited.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. What's now? Now what you know? Cause saying he funny no ne all the information.
Now what you know? China by 9 a.m. Na ebusuya esi omopono.
Okay.
Edi omo ebusuya sambo ne si ho.
Okay.
The band is started. Adofo nyina eba. And it's not like treated by invite. No.
I see.
I
see.
By 9 na obia ho.
And yanyon to for bebre. I see.
Me say Accra FM. Whole of the building of Accra FM.
Sure, we'll be there. We'll be there.
Because me say we DJ no peke the nyum
DJ na na down for pa no.
Say ya tap ya baha.
Yeah,
baha.
Yeah, sure.
The guy say ya baha no cramponi. Na down home.
Yeah. Because I remember that the KD film Accra FM nkomo aye ni di bebre trende
yeah.
Enom ne ade nti ye ne mo a etwaka pa so we'll be there to support. Anyfa ne no.
Yeah, East Legon. Executive Clubhouse.
Okay.
East Legon Executive Clubhouse.
Okay.
baby aya despite mo omo ye omo programs na there no. Yes,
I see.
car park da ho.
Okay.
Uba where you park your cars and everything. Yeah.
Dress code no
Black.
okay.
Black. Or black and red cry. It goes. Black. Ti yen nyina yamra na mo support ebusua no ene mba no.
All right.
Na yen tumi hu eda ye de beye eyie no.
Okay.
Na yen prepare
All right.
for Dada. Ni eyen and Aba,
Sure.
whether I believe it or not,
I see you.
you see.
Yeah.
But the message say, me boss of court, yen can ho sempa. Yen can adepa wa yama nkrofo. Me minima de wa yama nkrofo. So
The life of a superstar. Ebia uni ebi nante da. Inti unim niatie. Mini bia nante da inti meka meka. One of the things that they lack is self-realization. Sometimes in front of all the crowd, oh bejina ho obien nsam si ane nipa etito no. Most often omo ko omo dem ade alone. The bigger you become, the more lonely you will be. Maybe extreme. Say ene me nam for 1,000. Metimi anya chance akobiaso because my time I have lots of time. But every time be number yet like hot cake. Now I'm going around the world. Most of my friends I'll lose them. Metimi lose ama say no. Kofona me funny just the business people. Ebia my manager, my producer, and a few friends. You understand? Bound me. And now me two way. Me want to be your friend traders. And how na me cause distressing. Yes. Me yeah juma I want to distress. That's where I go. Do you know what? And 1 year kwa nye juma sam yeka. We speak our life generally. We chat freely. These are the friends that you wouldn't have when you get to the top. I'm telling you. Mr. One superstar and Nantia, they are lonely inside. Because only maybe with all the fame, only ni papa penasem genuinely. Because obi obe hubiano is because you're a star. But trust me, nipa only genuine people around you are. That's where you feel happy. And yet people who want to come to you because of what they will get. But people who feel you by nature. And no be net so your friend say Dada Kedi. Now our lot balled up. Baby Sahon said, why you na on any kwacha na asem? Because we see those people as superhuman. Aye, or yare ko be say, hey, na brain so or yare na ye nipa. Let me tell you. And it's no assembly crache was so na sabi time unni oba papa oni besusu and na se adamfo bia oni na nyia bedu pempenso bia na why mobo. Eti most of them no sa addiction to drugs and women no they do it to distress. Obi won ma worry ma to distress and also they timi distress pa which me we ma 3-4 at a go and a week they distress you. We also have bewu. And no nkwafo so celebrities are say they are frustrated inside because nyama okomu no onye obi nkan hye no sabe wa wo hwe me bibi ha wa onye obi ane kasa but the superstar na ono no people look up to who say ne nyum ya me de pa ai sa nyum no say no ai wo yere na wo boss anyum no ba wo yere a wo hu so wani abie ai mugo bi samire so be ka kire sa anyum no pepa say fatia fatankroma but no obo anyum no na oni obi e fe no fatia into wanya fatia obe fata Dada Kedi ene ode akosha fam ni ameka nyina akosi ne say ewiase baby a wugire bia no be happy. Don't wish to be somebody because ebia niama nipa ni kom no you can never go through. A word to a wise is enough. I Xposed GHFM member subscribe share. Mini 2 man now saka be manuasi.
Hello, Keep watching Expo GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.